the dead space in the room. Right inside, all the way forward. Always forward. On the right hand side, all the way forward to the wall, please, everybody. All the way forward, please.
Thank you for that.
It's a long time ago, longer than it seems. A big place that perhaps you've seen in your dreams. For the story that you were about to be told began in the holiday woods of home. I know you're curious to see what's inside. It's what happens when two holidays collide. To a Christmas delight, come witness a ghoulishly glorious sight. It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
At the very
The nightmare before Christmas had rolled through the house. Not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. March will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace in your black Christmas.
Keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats. Keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmitas y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro.
We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
More rapid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged. And what to your wondering eyes disappears is Jack's little friend Zero, the ghost dog reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. A coffin, Jack says, makes a fine Christmas present. The man in black makes a wonderful wreath, as long as you don't get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday vision was unlike no other. So ring out the bells, there's more cheer to uncover.
On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle with a force that is pure. 8 balls of knowledge that answer with a truth that is sure. 7 pearls of wisdom to keep my love bewitched to me. 6 mystic mirrors reflecting futures yet to be. On the 5th day of Christmas, my good love gave to me.
They were strange and bizarre, and on the attack. His mouth, both outside and in. But one final touch made his funny face grin. Now what better could a friend to bestow than the graveyard that's covered in ghostly white snow.
Time! Welcome to my Christmas delight! Look, Zero, I think they like our Christmas. Have you been naughty or nice? I have a special
I'll be waiting to open my